Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Okay, we ready? All right. Well, first, actually, you know what? To make life easy, do me a favor. Let me grab that break. There we go. All right, make life easier. Frontal lobe includes the red. Parietal lobe, yellow, temporal, in the back, occipital. Okay, that's our four lobes. Then let's see. I'll just stay on the surface for now. So here we have our precentral gyrus, right? That contains the primary motor area. Then we have our post-central gyrus, which contains the primary somatosensory area. The central sulcus separates the precentral from the postcentral gyrus.
Is that line between that purple thing and that?
This line right here,
Yeah.
between the purple and the red. Remember, sulcus is, all these grooves are a sulcus,
Okay.
and the folds are gyrus. Okay, here we have which fissure, guys?
Longitudinal.
Longitudinal fissure. Then we have the sulcus separating the occipital from the parietal, which is here and here. So what do we call that one? The parietal occipital sulcus. Am I missing one? I think I'm missing one. Oh, the transverse fissure, right? Transverse fissure separates cerebrum essentially from cerebellum. Okay. And the lateral cerebral sulcus, that's the one I was missing. Lateral cerebral sulcus separates the frontal from the temporal, so it's where red and yellow essentially meet, right there. Okay, lateral. Okay, I think that's everything on the outside. Oh, okay, let's do it like this. What's this structure right here in gray?
Cerebellum.
That's the cerebellum. And what about this little round guy right here?
That's the pineal gland.
Yeah, that's the pituitary gland. Okay. So then let's go inside.
That's it. That we have to know for the outside.
Well, so far, yeah, I think so. Okay. So this whole section going from here all the way up to here. What is this?
Midbrain. Brainstem.
Brainstem, cerebellum. What's this whole middle area?
Diencephalon.
Diencephalon, and this upper level here?
Cerebrum.
Cerebrum or cerebral cortex. Okay. Then talking about the brainstem, what's this area here? Medulla oblongata. Here. Pons. Here.
Midbrain.
Midbrain. Okay. What's this right here? Fourth ventricle. Then we go to diencephalon, and what's this represent right here?
That's the.
It connects the brain to the pituitary gland. It's actually like a pointed right here as well. What is it? It's the stalk. The infundibulum. Fundibulum. Now, a little superior to that is this sort of triangle-like area right here.
That's the epithalamus.
Not yet. That's the hypothalamus. Remember now, how do we remember that? Remember, the hypothalamus is the major regulator of homeostasis, which means that it's controlling that pituitary gland quite a bit, which is sending out lots of hormones to control homeostasis. So hypothalamus, infundibulum, and over here, hypothalamus, infundibulum, pituitary gland. Okay, then this round sort of egg-shaped structure, that's your thalamus, right? It's on both sides. And then this little round circle here in the middle of the thalamus.
Central sulcus.
Wow, what was that over there? Intermediate mass. That just connects the two halves together.
So this is intermediate mass, you saying?
The little round thing right there, yeah. Then what about this right here, this number 45 right here? That's the fornix, okay? Kind of helps connect a couple of brain areas up. Then this number 44 right in there.
Lateral ventricle.
That's the lateral ventricle. And then this whole section here goes from like 42 all the way over.
Corpus callosum.
Corpus callosum, which type of tract is that? A commissural tract, which does what?
Left and right.
Connects left and right halves. Well, it's written there, but in orange. limbic cortex. Number 56 right here. What do we have?
Penal what?
That's a good corpora
Oh,
quadgemina,
oh.
and that's housing the superior, well, the olive, which houses the superior inferior colliculi. Speaking of the epithalamus containing the pineal gland, it's right here. What number do we give for that? 54, right there. Okay.
Which one's the epithalamus?
Epithalamus is 54.
Okay.
Epithalamus and pineal gland are the same exact thing.
Okay.
Okay. Then we have the mammillary body, 69. Where are you? 69. Where did it go? Mammillary. Oh, it sort of got rubbed out, but there it is right there. Yeah, I don't know if this model got rubbed out. Oops, sorry.
Okay.
Let me see if it's rubbed out on this one. No, it's not. There we go. That's weird. I never saw that. So it's the mammillary body, which is part of what part of the brain?
We didn't even taste design supplement, is that what you're asking?
Let's be more specific.
Midbrain? No.
Midbrain is part of
Hypothalamus?
the hypothalamus. Yeah, look, it's right near the hypothalamus, right? So it kind of makes sense right there. What else did I give you guys? We got the fundamental, we got the corpora. Oh, inside here, if I pointed to this area of the cerebellum, what am I pointing to?
The arbor vitae.
Arbor vitae, the white matter. On the outside,
Cerebellum cortex.
with the cortex, cerebellum cortex. And I think that was everything.
Do we have to
Right.
label the ventricles, the third, and the
Well, in the
whatever?
diagram, that we have them in the diagram. Yeah, that's
Okay.
everything. That's
I have a question.
everything.
Is the textum have a name for the corporal
Send me that just in
quadra?
case.